Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how did I like this? So this is a fun one. I was traveling again, and it's talking with a model, and we basically wanted to meet up and shoot something, and didn't really have a location. It was the winter, and I had a very small lighting kit with me because I was doing something else. I actually had my Rolleiflex with me, a film camera, and I had some dado lights. And what I decided to do was create something that had kind of a old movie vibe. So I asked her what she had. She brought a very simple outfit that could have been kind of timeless. And this is basically shot in a hotel room. I've got I wanted to create a scene, make it feel very cinematic. So I basically have the light inside what is effectively the bathroom of the hotel room shining out through the door effectively to give us that, kind of imperfect. If you look at the top of the image here, you can see like the little kind of weird double shadow you get when light's coming from outside a different room. We can also see it vignetting a little bit over here because it's coming from that direction. But it is aiming right at her though. It's not a bounce light. So we get very punchy light here and very crisp shadows, very kind of noir-y dark, right? And the other thing I did was I balanced the light to work with this light right here in the room. When using constant lights, it's a lot easier to do. I just made the exposure basically roughly the same. So this light in the foreground is there. It kind of feels like there's light coming from it, although clearly we know there's not. And we have this like really moody light on her face, creating a mood. And it's just really fun to shoot film sometimes. When you're shooting film, if you're new to it, using a constant light can be really useful because, again, what you see is what you get, making it a little bit easier to kind of comprehend where things are going to turn out in the final image. So that's what I did here. What would you do? Have you ever shot anything like this? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check the description. You can find a link to my Discord server. Join up over there and join the conversation. You can also find my Patreon down there if you'd like to support the channels. Another way to support the channel is just to like it and subscribe. So if you do that, I'd appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.